Introducing Lock-in Smart Locks. Award-winning product design and comprehensive features. Featuring 6 unlocking modes. Media Smart Home Compatible. Secured by industry-leading safety technology AIS4. Brought to you by Lock-in. With free installation, 5 years product warranty and 10,000 ringgit break-in coverage for a year from as low as 69 ringgit per month. When you place your order, admin will contact you to make an appointment for your lock-in installation. After verifications, customers are briefed on the 16 checkpoints before installation. Let's start. First, the door surface is measured and marked. Holes will be drilled. An amortisseur will be fitted on the door. A fully assembled front and back lock panel will be installed. Finally, the striker plate is placed back in position. We're almost there. After installation, the true test will be done on the fitting, alignment, and functionality of main features to ensure everything is firmly installed for smooth, reliable usage. The technician will guide you through proper use of your newly installed lock and of course cleanup. Sign the installation note and we're done. Ultimate peace of mind is now yours for an affordable price. Lock-in, your home connection secured. Also available on Subplace.